What are you doing over there?
Alright. Nothing.
Did you get the right one?
Too big.
Too big.
Bring the whole kit back. I know you could.
Now you're going to bring the kit? Oh, he's going to bring the kit now. There's a wheel right there. We don't know if it's going to fit the bike yet, though. I'm going to give it 80% chance of not fitting. Fred thinks it's going to fit, though. We'll see. I'm pretty sure it's not going to fit, though. Oh, what you looking at? Genuine bike under there. First thing I do is CRC. There's a number one over there. Screws, so they'll come out easier. It's dark over here. Where's my flashlight?
I don't know. Where's your flashlight?
I don't know. Fred took it. That's right here. There you go. Flashlight now. Quarter drive?
Quarter drive, so I need.
You got my quarter drive.
I got the quarter drive.
Stole it. You stole it from me already.
No.
Here.
Extension. We need an extension.
Extensions make it easier to do the job.
It is.
We need light under here now.
I like my folding ones that I got.
Look at this caliper we got. Buell. Single
Tell me
puck.
what you were looking at?
Single puck. Okay, we have to get this front one up. That's gonna be. Ah, damn, that hurts right on the kneecap again. Quit hitting that case on the kneecap, Fred.
That sounds like a personal problem.
It is a personal problem. My knee hurts. What do you got that extension on there for? I can't leave the extension in this location. Here. What are you doing up here?
Taking the seat off.
You have to use that lever underneath.
I know, I'm using it.
There you go.
Almost dropped in the head.
You almost hit me in the head with that, Fred.
In the head.
Here, hold that.
Got it.
I don't know why you put that damn thing on there when you can't get to it. Oh, jeez.
You want to get that?
Somebody's going to want me. Well,
Obviously somebody knows you're working late.
that's early. It's just a long-winded screw. It's about 1.5 inches long.
Not working late, working regular. Late to everybody else in the world.
It's really late to leave a message. Almost get my hand in there. Almost.
Yeah, I had to deal with that one and the front one before.
Oh, 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 what's that? Screws out, Fred.
Here's that. Get that one.
Where'd my extension go? My extension probably. These come out a lot better since I lubed them. Should have a 6-inch extension on there to be easier. Oh, look at the plastic washers on there.
I'm telling you, this thing's like...
Did you put those plastic washers on the windshield when you assembled it?
Like Tonka toy.
Did you put those on there in your bike?
Not even Tonka. Tonka's made of steel.
There you go. Well, the real ones are. Mine are.
Yep. Well, this one's right behind the damn brake. Or
the brake is in the way.
brake.
Oh.
No, not behind the brake, but look.
It doesn't fit.
Not gonna work.
How are you going to get that off? Go by the milling machine. There's a new set of Allen little L wrenches, little short stubby ones. We'll be back. Need some more tools. Alright, Fred's got some little Allen wrenches.
Star.
I bought these special for him.
Thank you, man.
First time they're being used. Does it fit?
Yeah, this one does.
Oh, look at that. It's made for it. Good thing I bought those. Got all that extra money and nothing to do with it. Okay, this axle's kind of rusty. Fred's getting down on his knees, me too. Okay, we're going to lubricate the axle here to get some of the corrosion off of it. I'm going to work this into the wheel over here.
Did you put CRC on that?
It was going good until I hit the side of the workbench over here. Yeah, it works good now. I don't know why it was so tight before. Swing arm's the problem. Oh, look, it's throwing stuff at me.
You need to spray that too.
I did spray it.
Why do we need this?
Kicks the dirt off the shock. Okay, Look at that. We got one of those now.
Get rid of that.
Look at all that junk. Naked.
Canister.
Can't
Oh,
smog.
shit, that might be in the way.
Smog. Nah,
That
it's
might
fine.
be
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, I need a wheel. Got a wheel?
You need a spacer too.
Little spacer's
There's a
under your
small-
leg over here.
Yeah, there's a small spacer on that side and a big spacer on this side.
I don't know where. There's only one dropped out.
No, this one dropped out when that one pulled out.
Well, that one's in your finger.
Okay, you ready?
Where's my spacer at?
Belt on.
No, we don't need a belt.
No, need a belt. Okay, coming up.
Here, hold on. Let me put it inside the wheel. There you go. A lot easier now.
Well,
Why did you do that, Fred? Don't help me. Just go up.
well, there's a
I don't want to hear the excuse. Just go up. 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 Not too far up. There we go. Okay, now you can wiggle around all you want now. Shove it my way, Fred.
there's a problem. It's hitting.
What, Fred?
It's hitting up here.
What do you mean it's hitting up in the front? There's no way. You said it was going to fit.
It's not hitting a lot, but it's hitting.
It's hitting a lot because the axle's not in the bike yet.
Well, let's start beating that bitch in. Knock it in. Let's see if it'll line up.
I'd let the air out of the tire would help.
Is it going in?
Yeah, it's going in. It's under a load. Yeah, we got enough. What are you doing over here?
I'm waiting for this to come all the rest of the way in.
Well, it's a little tight, Fred. Told you you got to let the air out of the tire.
No, that ain't gonna help.
Yes, it will. It'll help a lot.
We'll let the air out of the tire.
Where's your air chingus at?
Did you bring it with you?
Yeah, it's called take the valve stem cover off and push with this. Didn't they teach you how to do this when you were a kid, when you were pissed off at people?
With your fingernail too?
You can use your fingernail too, especially if you're a kid, you got small fingers. What's this you got dingle dangle coming around here? Oh, I hear an air leak.
That's some gas. Feels better.
Feel better, Fred?
Yeah, I had a rough week.
How you doing now? Look at that.
A rough week.
So you getting more clearance now?
Clearance? I'm looking for it.
You're not letting it out very fast.
If I could let it out faster, I would.
There, look out. Not too slow.
Sounds like it's going just as fast as when I was doing it.
I know where the air chuck is at. Look at that, Fred.
Oh yeah.
It's clearing now.
Clearance.
So you're only going to run 10 pounds of air pressure, it'll fit.
I think we'll just cut that damn bracket. That might be enough.
We're going to have to cut a lot of stuff off, I bet.
What? You keep saying that. I'm gonna cut that freaking back of that bracket
Okay,
first.
I'm done listening to you now. Okay, where's my hammer at?
Hang on.
I wasn't hanging, I was beating on it.
That's what I'm saying. Don't get crazy. I gotta put this in.
You in there yet? What are you waiting for? You want to use my hammer now. Jeez. This animal
No,
over there. What are you doing over there?
No,
You-
push. There. Isn't it got?
You gotta put the thing in the hole, Fred. You in the hole yet?
Yeah, go ahead. No, it's not even nowhere near it. There, hang on. There, it's in the hole. It's in the hole. Why is there a big gap here? We're missing something else?
You're missing something else.
What else are we missing?
There we go.
What are we missing?
I don't know. Nothing.
Something that's supposed to go on the outside?
Yeah, right. It's got clearance right there, Fred.
Well, that's what I'm talking about. We're going to slice that bad boy off first. Just the back of that bracket.
It's gonna take more in the bracket. There's no clearance. I'm
Yeah,
telling you,
I
that
know
tire
what you're
grows.
saying.
That tire grows when you go down the road, Fred. And you know what happens? It gets tighter and tighter as it grows because it gets hotter and hotter and it grows more and more. And then eventually it wears itself to fit. So, if we cut off just the back of the bracket, it will rotate.
Well, let's...
Now, I'm not sure how long it would live, but it would allow you to do, it would allow it to rotate.
No, I mean just for right now, you could do it and then see where the next fitment thing we need to do is we slice more out of the back of this.
Well, it's going to hit.
Yeah.
At higher speed, it will hit. Fred, doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Oh.
Come on.
You in the right spot yet?
Oh yeah, look.
What?
No.
What's the problem?
It's in this. It's down all the way. Oh yeah. Yeah. Really got to move it up about.
It's just barely hitting on it. Just got to rotate up a little bit.
Rotate up.
So we got to slot these holes out. Just a little bit. Okay, pull it out. So we're going to have to work on this a little bit.
Slide it so it slides up.
So all holes can be slotted, and it can move all holes.
Yep.
I'll give you a 1/4 inch real quick.
Yep.
And if we tilt it a little bit more in the back, you get even more.
And we'll just make a full slot in these.
And then slot them out.
Completely slot away, baby. Big
Okay.
slot.
Yeah. Okay, then we got a little clearance issue right here.
Oh, that's
Sounds good.
I have a problem with
It's wearing
the
in.
middle of the tire.
I got all that rub marks up in there. Fred, you fell down, didn't you?
I didn't. I can't
Okay.
believe we got. Oh, this thing just fell over. I'm like, yeah, right.
Okay, it appears to be a little tight, but it might work.
Somebody else told me that.
I think you do a few burnouts, it'll be fine.
Let's
That's what?
shave that little back.
Shave
of the,
that little sucker
shave the
off
back
there.
of that back of the brack where it's hitting
Okay.
right now, and then see what our next fitment issue
I
is.
think we're gonna need some tools to do all that.
Let's knock this bitch out.
You got the hammer, not me.
Yellow side out.
Too late now. You got it?
Yeah. Okay. Just fell into something really sharp.
Did you break my stuff over there? Okay, so the reinforcement, this will be gone. So there might be some flex in there. You might have to put some reinforcement somewhere else later on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not anywhere important, no.
Nah. You got your air grinder? Where?
What are you gonna do about the fire potential back here?
Catch fire. Put it
Catch
out.
fire. Fred don't care about fire back here. We're moving anyway. We don't care if it burns up. It's under his bike, but that's okay. He don't care. All right, we'll be back.
Nasty bracket. All right, we're here to do some adjustments.
Don't lose out.
That's a good one.
Which one do you want to use, Fred?
What was the one next to the vise where you just threw the other one? Is it lightning?
No, I think they got some thunder going
Oh,
on.
fireworks.
Good thing Scooby's not there.
SeaWorld's open now. Or actually, the ballpark. Maybe there's a game tonight. We're only about a mile from the Padres.
Probably SeaWorld.
Pico Park.
We can see SeaWorld. We can hear SeaWorld from here. It's only 15 miles away.
Pico Park.
Where do you want me to slot these, Fred?
The downward direction.
That?
Yep.
In the dark, I can't see right here.
Nice big slot. This slot.
Did I slot it correctly?
Slaughtered it correctly. Big slot.
Oh, this one doesn't appear to be modified yet, Fred.
Nope.
Oh, there's black junk in the way.
Melting plastic. Melts plastic and metal with equal enthusiasm. Nice. Big slot.
Debris in the hole.
Okay. Little slot, big slot.
You sure?
Clearance, clearance.
This one here I can't see. Oh, you virus solved me. You virus got me. Okay, there's that one. I'm gonna take that, do a truss fit. Then we have to do